I'm Brandon Johnson from Blacklist Kings. Today we're heading to Cars and Coffee at Nola Motorsports Park. It's also a Toys for Tots drive. We're currently going to meet up with some of the guys at a predetermined location, so let's get to it. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up, Georgie? Good morning. Getting those wheels shine?
Nice.
How you doing? Brandon. Nice to meet you, John.
Where's Dad? What happened there?
What's up, Leo?
What's up, B? What's poppin'?
Doing all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah?
How you doing?
Good. How you doing, Brandon?
I'm Mike.
Mike, nice to meet you, Mike. What's up, Pops? Doing all right? How you doing, man?
I'm Matt. We met at Wanna Go Fast.
Oh, okay, all right. What were y'all in?
You were parked next to my Viper.
Oh, okay, nice. That's right. You got a lot. You got what? Supercharged? What all's done to it?
Yeah.
What you got done
Cam,
to it? Cam,
fuel system, headers. You know,
nice.
the deal.
Nice. The deal. You know, the business. Just the business. Normal business. Business as usual. Nice. Where at?
County Space Center.
Yeah. Nice.
The only thing I had to do, the only thing I did to go fast, this trim came up the first time I did 225. This trim started coming up, so I put one piece of tape. Everybody else is taking their mirrors off, taping everything. I hit the rev limiter in 6.
Oh no. Yeah, some of my trim came off from the factory. Like
it's just pushed in there, so
yeah.
I mean,
Damn.
rev limiter is 226.
Damn. How far did it take you? What did they give you?
Well, the max track is 2.7 to go fast, and then you hit the traps, and then you only have 3,000 feet to slow down.
To stop. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. What's up, Machi? You doing all right?
How you doing, bro?
Good. So what you did? You brought the Porsche out today?
I got a Porsche
Ferrari?
today. No Ferrari.
No
Still
Ferrari.
changing the manifold.
Oh. All right. What you in, brother?
Alpha.
Oh, you're the one with the specced out Alpha. Oh, that thing's cool as hell. We saw it at yes. Give me like hot chocolate. Anybody else want anything? Y'all want anything while they're running in there?
Get your cereal in the car.
Yeah. Yeah. This thing is super cool. It's got a nice spec to it.
That's awesome.
We got carbon mirrors. We got carbon roof.
Open inside. I got my open this side.
Carbon wing. That side? Yeah.
Sure. I got my Segway in there. So I don't
Do you?
walk too much.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh. Man, look at all that carbon. That little Segway is cool. He's good. Yeah. Eddie, you seen this? That is badass. This Segway in here?
I got a little Segway. That's the only thing I could fit in there.
I mean, that's perfect, dude.
Surprisingly, I was able to fit it in.
Yes, that is awesome. Pops is a V right here, and then y'all know this car, Leo the Tiger, and then we got our V. We haven't showed y'all much of the V yet, but y'all gonna get plenty of that. So here's our lineup right now so far. We live, baby. So we got a few more people rolling up. We got Steve rolling in right now, the 12C. I guess he's gonna park right behind me. Yeah. Yeah, we had to squeeze in. I had to squeeze in too. It was pretty tight. So we've been waiting on the R8. We just got here, and we're gonna all get in the cars and head over to the motorsports park. See, I'll give y'all a quick look at this R8. We got a V10, nice. Carbon fiber blades, pretty nice spec. All right, guys, we're gonna get in the cars and we're gonna head over to the motorsports park. All right, so not enough parking today. Not a good start. Have an idea. Make our own burger right here. Watch me. Kind of just made our own spot. See how this works out. Cars roll with us, not too bad. Actually 13. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. We're not too happy with the footage or lack of footage we didn't get this time around. We're learning. We're learning that you keep the camera rolling all the time because no telling what you'll catch, as well as you cannot get enough footage to compile together to make a video. And once the day's over, it's already too late. You can't go back. So film, film, film. We're learning these things. Make sure y'all subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all again this weekend. We're going to be out filming more things around Nola.